Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings and then scroll down a bit, enter the system section, go to the reset options and then select reset all settings. And then confirm it here and then tap it one more time. And after that, settings will be reset to default. Your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.